see you there. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make egg fried rice. So the first thing you need to have is fried rice. No, you just need a normal rice. So best rice, all the professionals tell you, all Asian will tell you, the best rice is leftover rice from yesterday. So the rice we use, what do you think your rice we use? It's brown, so it must be brown rice. But not all of that. We also use a bit of this, which is gold basmati rice. Extra, where is it? Extra long. Oh no, my stinky cookie. Okay, so the first thing when you're cooking rice, egg fried rice, you also need to have, where's the stinky eggs already? Right here.
Banana.
Here is my eggs. We only have 6 eggs left, so I'm not gonna use too much egg. First thing you need to do is get your eggs. I don't use too much egg because we don't have too much egg, so maybe only like 1 egg. Oh, I forgot. The first thing you need to do is turn the stinky thing on. So first turn on the pan,
oil?
okay?
Oh.
Next, get some canola oil, vegetable oil of any sort, and look at this. It's good for heart health for some reason. So you put the oil like that. That's all you need. You want to get fat, put more. You want to be thin, put less. This is the normal one, okay? So that's what you need to put first, okay? Now first thing, some people they put the rice first, some people they put the egg first. I like to put the egg first. So I'm gonna have a, what's this the egg? I don't know where did I crack it? This. Oh, it's popping. That's sticky. Oh. Put that egg in there.
They're not putting any shells in it.
Yeah, no shells. If you put shells, you're already lost. Then what you need to get is your thigh slapper. I'm just kidding. It's that thing. So what I'm gonna do, we're not gonna make sunny side up here. Before it starts forming, you might wanna.
Why?
No, you might wanna look it like that.
Put more eggs in it, boy.
No, 1 egg only.
One?
So that's something we're gonna do first. The next thing I want to do, once it's a little bit cooked, okay? This one's pretty much cooked already a bit. I'm gonna add the rice. How do you add the rice? Do it carefully and quickly, okay? So, get your spatula or whatever you're using. Pour that stinky old rice in there. You know what? Let's just do this.
Boom!
Right, Joe, I did not call you to be a sound effect. I told you, just hold the camera, okay? So, you just put the rice like this. Yes, sir. You'll get your whole like this. Get all that. Get all the remains, because if you don't get the remains, you're wasting your money. That's right. So you do like that. Okay. Now, we're jiggling and stuff. So what we're gonna do? You need to separate all the caked up rice. You don't want Rice Krispies here.
Oh, popping.
Okay. Flip it around a bit. Now at this point, what you want to do, add your seasoning, okay? You can use your normal salad tablet, or you can use your table salt. But for this one, we're just going to use this as a pre-made seasoning. So it has garlic, onion, a bit of a bell pepper kind of thing. Some, what else is in here? A whole bunch of stuff. So you're going to do like this. Put it on. Want it more generous? Beautiful. Okay, not too much or else the people will only eat the rice. Alright, don't like that. Oh! Okay, like that. Many of you know I really like rice, but I have a very secret ingredient. I'll make it very better.
Ice cream?
Go in the fridge, go to the store and buy yourself or plant yourself some of this. Number 1, first secret ingredient. Come here.
Brazil.
No, basil, not Brazil, basil. Basil is an aromatic herb. Smells good, it tastes good too. Just shack it in there. Okay, you know. I can't seem to get any more. If if you're wondering where we are, we're in Montreal. So yeah, it's a Montreal hotel right here. We're gonna learn how to cook lessons. We're gonna have cooking lessons, okay? So there you go. There's some basil. Okay, second special ingredient. Chives, spring onions, whatever you want to call them. Okay, this will transform you to a cooking star. Okay.
Two Transformers.
First thing you need to do. Okay, fine. Okay. Where is it? Where did you go? Hold on a second. Where are you? Oh. What? Where is it? Hold on a second. Okay, that doesn't matter. We're gonna use the back of this plate and we're gonna chop up our spring onion. The more the better, but for this time we're just gonna use only a little bit because yeah. So we're gonna cut like this and then fold it up like this, make it quicker. There you go. There you go. And with using the back of a plate, I successfully made up some chopped spring onion. So just pour that down right there. There you go. Now that we finished up this cooking, flipping it. Don't flip at the bottom, we'll get burnt, black. I don't know, like Rice Krispies. You don't want Rice Krispies, that's how it is. So, make sure you flip. Okay. And also, if you want to see what's inside here, we have some spring onions as well as sweet potato leaves from the garden. So what we're going to use is this. We're just going to move it around like this. I think they're pretty much cooked this way. So inside of here we have some pork. Right over here. I'm going to turn this off right now. This is the soup. Probably still need to cook a little bit of the rice. Okay. You don't have to cook it too much if you're right with this because the rice is already cooked. You only need to cook the egg and the spring onion a bit so it don't get weirdly feeling. So once you think it's done, turn off your induction stove. I know, I'm sorry guys, sorry Uncle Roger, I use an induction stove, your gas stove, whatever you're using, and then you serve it. So in this case, we're just going to use, yeah, this is the original rice bowl, so let's use this, man. Yeah, get this one, we're try not to burn ourselves. Ooh. And come see here, it looks like Elijah. Yes. Ooh. Yes. Now it burned my foot. I got one on my toe. There you go. And once you're ready, serve it to your kid, your family, your friends, your brother, your sister, or your animal, or your dogs, whatever you have. This is a really simple recipe. It doesn't take take you like 10 minutes or something.
Was that egg fried rice?
Yeah, because it's eggs, and you put some frying in it and rice. So this egg fried rice for you guys. If you like my cooking videos, my mom's cooking videos or anything like that, check those out too. So yeah, that's what egg fried rice look like for me. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. See you next time.